I don't know. Today is a bit. I'm confused. Do I want to trade today or not, actually? But, well, from what I saw in my magic book, there is very rare opportunities when the market is um, not having any news in between days between CPI and PPI. So that's rough to say what's gonna happen, and I don't have lots of statistics on that. Oh, so I'm like today's price action is quite big. I mean, if we take a look at yesterday's before open, okay, there was CPI obviously, so there's nothing to do with it. But before CPI day, where it's very calm, it was the same. Let's see. Okay, this gap up. Okay, it's a huge gap up. We know that, right? And okay, that's like 4 times more. Okay, let's see an average day for that. It's a little bit more than today. Let's eliminate that. And we don't need that. This day, well, the range is also 2 times bigger. Here we saw, okay, also 2 times bigger. Well, Jesus, can I touch that? Thank you. Well, the range is not big, but the price action is quite interesting. VWAP is super flat. VWAP is super flat, and also we are trading inside value, and we're like rejecting value high of yesterday's. We're also kind of topping yesterday's top. We broke that, but we couldn't maintain the momentum. We came back. We now under, like inside this range. So to taking all the things into one place, I'm thinking that it would be the best for me to wait for 15 minutes school run, because then I will see what it's kind of the market. Is it like ranging or trending? Because when we are opening inside the range, and if we, for example, go even here on the drive, then I'm very well. If we reach that, maybe below VWAP, then yeah, it's a probability for a short until here. So I would have only 2 trades. It's the first one, the first break, because if the first break doesn't work, that means that we are in a choppy market, and I don't think I should take another second trade. And after that, we wait for a school run. I'm risking up to 250, like from 200 to 250 per trade. I'm trying to get my risk done correctly. If we see overnight session, we could potentially go to the lows of it, because now we are opening right in the middle, which sucks. As for momentum, yesterday we opened above, so there was good things to see. Day before we went berserk, like the news went there. I know that it's a good news overall, and just that's kind of what we want to see. Chop, chop, chop. Days before we also entered there, and you see the first was attempt was then the school run also only for the second attempt. So I'm and it's like tomorrow is PPI. I know it's PPI that it doesn't drive markets that well that what CPI does, but what I'm expecting is they on Friday or on Monday that we have a very nice trending day. Plus, we've moved 1,000 points from this consolidation, which would indicate me that right now we also would come back to the consolidation area. Plus, if we take a look at hourly chart, let's see. There's not a lot of info, unfortunately, but uh, like if we on a daily, where we at here, that also like big, 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 big range, huge, massive range, like lots of volume dealt here. I mean, wait, I know it's open, so now we do not really care about it. I want to see, yeah, look, the volume profile is stayed there. We have to make it a little bit more. So we are coming to this. If we push up, that's the maximum. 21,500 probably where we could potentially see. It's right there, okay. So that's the potential next level, and then we will drift. Well, even looking at the daily, I think like this extension, well, there was some type of consolidation, but now, like to go to it, to new highs like this, no freaking way. I don't see that. Plus the volume, you see on the drops, volume increases. And let's see what happens in those first 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, so we grab that upper liquidity, which like we hmm I don't believe it's gonna break. Like, well, it can break, but somehow I just don't believe in this. I don't believe that. I cannot see this as a valid push. I don't know, man. It just seems so not right for me. Should I take longs? I mean, for I do. Like, look at this. There's no orders here. Oh, freaking! I don't. Should I trust this strat? I'm sorry, I cannot enter this trade. I'm sorry, I cannot enter this trade for the long side. I'm sorry. Like, it's such a huge range, first of all. Second of all, we are at the top of the top. I would rather take a short here. I mean, this pull to the upside, I mean, it's just so darn. I don't know. Is that even worth it? You know what? I'm waiting for. Okay, just a second. Excuse me. I mean, look, if this is holding and we come back, maybe I would take a trade. But like if I don't see this market going up, look at. I'm waiting for that break or school run. Okay. It's a loss. It's a perfect loss. It's a perfect loss. It's a but it now it's a loss. But I didn't lose. That my gut just said it's not. It's something wrong with it. That would be funny if that goes all the way down. One thing that would bother me is that we have like these prices just ching, 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 tickling, and we could just pop to here and then come back to the upside. But I don't see the thrust to the upside. Mm, maybe it's one of those days. I don't know. I just don't know. I think we will wait for a school run or the break of the bottom, which would be which I would love more. I mean, if we break to the downside, we have lots of room inside the area to go down to here, which would be almost 1-to-1. I would be willing to short here, actually. But relax, take it easy. Let's see how it behaves on this yesterday's value. Does it come back to the value and bounce off it and goes for a run upside? Or is it just like piece of Okay, 15 minute range has been just established. Okay. My webcam is down since we don't have my battery is low, so sorry. Look. I'm truly willing to short this, you know. Obviously, it would have been very nice to be from here, where I said, like, I don't trust that. Okay, give me stop loss. Here. Oh, maybe I can enter one more contract. Yes, thank you. It's cheaper entry. I know, I just said that it's like, that entry, you know, but somehow I quite trust this one. This push from there to here, it's very plausible. We're inside value right now. Well, the best target is here, obviously. Then the another target is down there. That's it. Um, um, I'm where I want to be. I'm there where I want to be, where I'm comfortable, and I like this trade. If that doesn't go my way, fuck this, but I'm comfortable in this trade. Should I wait for a school run? I don't know. I don't think it's worth it. Well, you never know until you know. I like it holding above below VWAP. I would like to hold it across this pivot. Where's the next pivot? Oh, it's down there. And we have that gap. Imagine we fill this. At least 50%. Wow, wow. I mean, that would be gorgeous. Okay, that's the first target I would be considering. Next target would be this value. I mean, if that is... That's a... Wow. That's just a wow. I even would like to move my stop right now. Even I would love to add and move my stop and everything. I would love it to come back to retest 15-minute range. It's it's now inside value, right? Inside value right at POC. Yeah, this is the first target. But I'm not taking off. Like, maybe I think it's a good thing there. Yeah. Okay, retesting coming, but I cannot add since that will be on this risky level. If that comes back and takes me out, well, at least I've been in a good trade overall. Not 50%, but at least I've been in a super good trade. Which still actually might go my way. I would love to see 4 negative bars. Plus, look at the volume on this one. It's a huge volume. It's the most volume of after the open. We'll be coming to. Okay, it's the second bar. I mean, let's just not. Let's not get too carried away, okay? The price action looks nice, but you know, Jesus looks so good actually. I'm tempting to add. I'm tempting to add. Well, now it doesn't look that good because it couldn't go below that candle, which sucks. It's I okay, if it goes like it's just a choppy market. But that's a good risk. I mean, this is even above where I would place my stop. Now we're trading above the VWAP, which is not sexy. VWAP just rejected. Let's see what ES does. ES is went below value, bounced off it, and now it's in a weird spot, but the delta is negative, overall. I would love to add here, and here, and here, and here if I would have a lot of money. I would definitely add. Let's see if yes. If that comes back to the range, then obviously we're chucked. We might actually on the right side of the trade. It looks very good shorts. I'm telling you, it looks very good on short side. Let's see on this one. It's like this, and then. If that doesn't hold, then we are. And again, big rejection of this POC. That's a bit concerning. It's a bit concerning. Mm, I would love that to go below a little bit. That's a bit concerning. Okay. Good. Come on. Good. Ca- wow. If this doesn't manage to break through that, break it. Just if you go below that, you are the winner. Yeah. We'll go there. Okay. Bravo. We're on the right track. This is a good trade. This is gonna be a good trade. I mean, maybe I wanna just a tiny touch. Just come back here. Okay, so like here. Okay. Okay, keep the momentum. Keep it up. Keep it up, boy. Keep it up. Let's see what this 15 minute. Is it almost 3 minutes left? Because I think that this one's gonna work a lot. Well, maybe actually there is gonna be bounce back. You don't know. We don't know. We don't know. But NQ has some way to go to be close to my target, I think. Still wants to go close to my target at least. Mm, a little bit concerning. A little bit concerning. This rejection of that POC, like this very big battle over there, it's a little bit concerning. I don't know if we can sustain that. Like, I see more liquidity down there than up there. But also, if that comes back here, then we're good to go to the upside. Patience. Are you kidding me with this price action? Is this a bounce up there before coming up? Mm, feels like reversal. Doesn't look right to me. I want to take that off. Sorry. Sorry. I want to take that off. I mean, I want to go long if that breaks for this. That's for sure. Which is how much I can risk? Is 35. So like 40 times 40 times 40 times 6 5 is okay. Yeah, I would go long off this school run for not that much actually. Come back to new highs. Okay, it's pretty actually high to come back to new highs. But I don't trust it anymore to the downside. These wicks, this thing, I mean, it just doesn't seem right. I know I lost some, 80 bucks. That came back into the value. I just today's a quite a rough day, so I'm thinking probably that school run looks fine to me as a setup because we're now having inside bars. Well, well, that one is not inside, but still, it's quite looking good for me. Obviously, that would have been much more sexy to get it here of POC, but then after that, we're at the value bouncing. There might be a bounce like this then. Can I manage this market? That's the question. And should I be concentrating on it, or maybe should I call it a day? Okay, now we will have inside bar. Hmm. We're still kind of inside, which Excuse me? What? What? I made a huge miscalculation on that. Oh no, oh no, oh no, brother from another mother. Fuck. That was a huge miscalculation from my side. Fuck. How did that? I was measuring half of it. Fuck. Mm. Mm. What? What in the name is here? Mm. I hope it doesn't sell. I pray that it doesn't sell. What a shitty ass market, huh? My brain will explode on this price action. Are you kidding me? I'll have a fever attack on this. I just want to get out. GG. 300 minus. Okay. Okay, I'm done for today. I mean, what the? Why it's lagging so much? Oh, he's not reacting, thank God. Thank you. Bye bye. Mm, wait, so yeah, that was also a stop. That would stop me out. On 5 minute break, there was a stop, and there was school run stop. Perfect. 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 Shitty ass price action.